are from Year 7 Eco Club, Victoria International School, Banting. Our group name is Victorians too. Our wonder-based creation is artificial flower pot by using paper and plastic.
My name is Muhammad Ikhman Abdul bin Harizan.
My name is Peralatan.
Plastic usage is increasing the number of pollutants in the environment. Plastic particles and other plastic-based pollutants are found in our environment and food chain, posing a threat to human health. From this perspective, the biodegradable plastics material focuses on creating a more sustainable and greener world with a smaller environmental imprint. This statement should consider the entire life cycle assessment of the objectives and priorities for producing a wide range of biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics can also have properties similar to traditional plastics, while also delivering additional benefits due to their minimized impact on the environment in terms of carbon dioxide, as long as appropriate waste management includes such as composing are contained. The demand for cost-effective, eco-friendly materials increases to reduce waste management and pollution issues.
Our goal in implementing this artificial flower container is use paper and plastic to more efficiently in our eco club decoration. Compared to the red flower pot, this artificial flower pot looks more appealing. We can make wonderful things for our environment out of all plastic bottles and paper that are wasted. To encourage DIY, do it yourself research and creation throughout the community order to promote creative culture and innovation. Opposite of wonder waste creation is to encourage DIY, do it yourself research and creation throughout the community in order to promote creative culture and innovation. To encourage students to work creatively, innovationally, collaboratively, and professionally in general. To improve students' soft skill, particularly to their competitive attitude.
This is our sketch of an artificial flower pot. First, we have to spray the wooden sticks and bricks and let it dry for 1 day. Then, we have to do the flower pot by using plastic bottles and decorate with it waste materials. Next, do the DIY paper, rose flowers and leaves by using color papers or newspapers. After that, stick the flowers and leaves on the wooden sticks or bricks. Fill the flower pot by use soil or dry flower form. Finally, place the wooden sticks or bricks filled with flowers and leaves in a flower pot.
Plastic bottles, wooden sticks, and bags, colorful spread, color papers or newspapers, watercolors, and leftover decorative things like buttons, ribbons, glue, and scissors are needed to make these artificial flower pots. We anticipate that the artificial flower will only cost about 10 ringgit.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity. We are extremely grateful to